This is Spice Secrets, where we spice up our favorite dishes.
Turning everyday recipes into something special with a little bit of spice, like my oil poached and grilled octopus.
Hey, do you like Mace?
The 90s rapper?
The spice, silly
yeah.
focus, Mace. Mace actually comes from the same plant as nutmeg.
Oh.
But it's a little milder and sweeter, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
We've also got recipes with fenugreek and clove. It's a spice-orama.
Now, Jazz, check this out. Of course, I've got my octopus tentacles, but if you wanted to buy a whole octopus, head, tentacles, you could tackle
Sorry.
the 8 tentacles, you know, or befriend your fishmonger, get them to do the dirty work.
That sounds like a better idea.
Yeah.
For sure.
You didn't like my tentacles?
No.
No?
Please stop. It looks like you're dancing. That's you dancing.
That's my octopus dance. No mas?
No mas.
Okay.
Mace is like a savory, cinnamony, peppery mixtape. It's an aroma of warm incense.
You know it from pastries, meaty stews, even curries and pickles. You just didn't know it was there. It's a lot of oil.
You're doing great, sweetie. Keep
But we're
going
gonna
up and
poach
down.
it. We're gonna poach it.
I feel like,
Look at my Flair oil bartender.
there you go.
Look at that.
I feel like you'd be a great bartender. You're
think
silly.
so?
Yeah. You've got a great personality.
Really? Thanks, Jasmine.
We'll give it
You're
to
not
you.
so bad yourself.
Aw, thanks.
Wow. That one won.
There you go, finally. Woo! It would be funny if I was just like, hey.
Yeah, that probably would have saved time. Where were you 10 minutes ago?
Nice. The onions are going in. Can I add some more aromatics?
Please. Nice chilies.
Peppers. Gotta be
It's gonna
hot.
infuse the oil with so much flavor.
And some parsley.
Thank you.
Voila, monsieur.
Yum,
You
yum,
like that?
yum. I love that. Nice chopping. Oh, and don't forget
Yes.
the mace. Here we go.
I'll grab the nuts.
Thanks. If you never cooked octopus before, the secret is low and slow.
Ah.
Tender every time.
You're full of great secrets. And
Smells
you know
good.
what? It does smell really good. So good.
Hey, I bet you're wondering why I'm straining out this octopus oil.
There's a question you don't hear every day.
Check it out. I'm gonna use these aromatics for a tasty garnish.
Okay.
Hey,
Yes.
trade ya.
Okay.
After all, Jazz, I am the thriller from the grilla. Thank you.
Go, Shahir, go. Go, Shahir, go. Go, Shahir.
It's almost time to eat.
You
It was
did a
good
great-
teamwork today.
Well, I was gonna say you did a great job on the
Good
octopus.
teamwork on the
Good
grill
job.
by both of us.
Thank you.
Hey, it looks nice.
You did a great job with the
starving.
octopus.
Nice. I'm hot after slaving over that warm grill.
You did a phenomenal job at the grill. You're the
We
grill
both did.
master.
I am the thriller from the grill.
You're
That's
the
true.
thriller from the griller. All right, here we go.
You ready?
I'm ready.
The key is to get, oh, it's tender. Look how tender that is.
Ooh, nice.
Get some of the aromatics.
Cheers.
Slowly cooking that lean octopus in olive oil gives it a richness that it otherwise wouldn't have, right?
And I love that hint of mace.
It gives it an unexpected kind of earthiness.
Very, very well done.
This is gonna be tough to beat. Whether seeds, fruits,
Bark or roots, remember,
a pinch of spice.
makes a world of difference. Oh, pass me the bread.